today I will go for hair transplant and make some beard.
But seriously, I'm really happy to see you right now, and you makin cantik.
Basically, I want to look nicer because as an actor,
Yes.
you must,
Yeah.
must look really good and presentable. So that's why I chose Clinic Dr. 𝐸𝐫 to do my hair transplant today.
Yes. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for believing in us. You have seen some of our very good results,
Yes,
and
yes.
some of our actors.
My fellow friends.
Yeah, fellow friends who've done beard, who's done hair, and he's smart. You know what? He come for hair and also come for beard. He came for both, which is a very good idea because I'm going to do take out the howers, extract the graft here. Of course, definitely I'm just to refine his hairline, and also that's what he desired, a thin and nice beard over here, and just to define his moustache. So that's what we're going to do. I just draw the hairline very natural. You will look down a bit. Thank you so much. So you can see a very natural hairline which suits his features, not too much of a graft. And then look down this side, just show it. Yeah. So continue with the sideburn. We're going to the beard area. Continue this side. Yeah, we're going to the beard area, and then we look at his moustache a little bit to enhance it, and a little bit to enhance it. It looks natural and it looks good. That's what he wants. Actually, how long have desired to do this? Actually, the beard here is okay. I think you just a little bit will not make much difference, but I think the beard is going to make a lot of difference. What actually makes you like desire after looking at others? You look in the mirror, or is it something that you always wanted?
I want to look more manly because I think my face more on the baby face side, so I want to look more manly.
More manly.
Yeah. So and then my M shape mengganggu I punya. Yeah, I lost some of confidence.
Yes, that's right.
Sometimes. So I think I need to do it.
Yeah. So basically, what you're trying to tell me, you want back more confident because you're conscious of this.
Yes.
Maybe in the style your hair,
Yeah.
and then you're more conscious of it. So also the beard is something he wants. He wants it for a long time. He wants to look more macho. The best part is sometimes you can even show it. You want to be fully shaven and look clean.
Yes.
In some acting, you can do so.
Yeah.
And some acting roles that you think you want a little bit more macho, you want some beard to show.
So I have more options.
Yes, exactly. That's what all my actors, my your fellow friends who also do this. They are both the options in life. You must always have more options. So yes, we're going to start this procedure now. What we're going to do is our normal way. We're going to harvest, extract, and we're going to do the plantation. Is what is going to his downtime is. He just asked me. Downtime will be a little bit swollen on the face area, this side, which is quite normal to tackle. Tomorrow he'll be coming for his wash or the hair in the beard. In the front, there's very minimal, maybe a little bit of swelling over the forehead, but it's very minimal. So it's very easy to take care. We will show time to time his photos. Tomorrow we'll show some photos, and maybe after about 1 week and after 1 month, his journey will be shared, everything. Also, you can mention your how they can watch you in your social media.
Okay, my social media for Instagram is Nazrief_Nazrief, and my TikTok Nazrief.Nazrief.
Yes, so do follow him because more updates are going to come.
I will update my journey from time to time.
Please do. I think he's very famous, so everybody should follow because the truth is coming out on the journey of hair transplant and beard from Clinic Dr. 𝐸𝐫. So I'd like to thank him, to his lovely wife, and also my team, my consultant, and of course to me too, and everybody. Let's thumbs up to everyone here.
Okay, hi. I baru je habis cuci for first wash after procedure yesterday. So I'm very happy with the result. Sebab normally macam doktor cakap maybe ada swollen sikit dekat area donor and juga also area transplant, tapi maybe my luck I punya muka tak swollen sangat, so I'm very happy. And my expectation sebab biasa tengok dekat internet semua orang buat hair transplant macam scary sikit, tapi bila I tengok Clinic Dr. 𝐸𝐫 punya result, tak macam tu. Maybe because of the technique apa, I don't know, but I'm very happy with the result now. So hopefully I can recover well, fast, and I cannot wait to find the end result lah. Thank you so much for explaining everything. I'm very comfortable, I'm very satisfied with the result, and I wish you good luck.